Welcome to the Tesla Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is September 30th, 2024, and we have a lot to cover in the world of Tesla and beyond. Remember, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Let's start with the challenges Tesla's Gigafactory in Germany is currently facing. The factory has seen a significant rise in sick leave among its 12,000 employees, with the rate jumping to 17%. A stark contrast to the 5.2% average in the automotive industry. Manufacturing Director André Thierig has expressed frustration over this increase, emphasizing that the company will not tolerate absenteeism. In a rather unusual move, managers have been visiting the homes of 30 employees on sick leave, which has sparked negative reactions, including aggression and threats of police involvement. Thierig defended these home visits as a common practice in the auto industry, aimed at appealing to employees' work ethic. However, the trade union IG Metall has criticized the factory's environment, describing it as a culture of fear that has contributed to high stress levels and increased sick leave rates. Union representatives have pointed out that employees are experiencing extreme workloads, especially when staff shortages occur, leading to additional pressure on healthy workers. Tesla CEO Elon Musk has been made aware of the situation and expressed concern, stating he would look into it. Historically, Musk has shown little sympathy for underperforming workers, having previously implemented strict measures at Tesla and during his tenure at Twitter, now known as X. This situation at the Gigafactory raises important questions about employee well-being and the company's management practices. That's all for today's episode of the Tesla Daily News. We hope you found these insights into Tesla's operations and challenges informative. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Join us again tomorrow for more updates from the world of Tesla and technology. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.